Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JRep. I'm Javier Rabagliati and I'm here to show you how to set profiles on Google Chrome. Let's go! If your work email is a Google account and you have a personal Gmail account, then you can set up different profiles in Google Chrome in order to keep your work life separate from your personal life, at least when it comes to Google Chrome. To set it up on any Google Chrome window, click on the profile icon you see here at the very top, next to the address bar, and you'll see that at the bottom you have a section that's called Other Profiles. Now, I have a lot of profiles already added, but if I wanted to add a new one, I would go to the Add button in the bottom, click there, and sign in with my other Google account. Before I do that, I want to show you another way to access this. If you click on the same profile picture and you click on the gear icon on the Other Profiles section, you will bring up the Profiles menu. This will lay out all the profiles you have added to this specific computer's Google Chrome. And at the bottom, you'll see the same Add button that will take you to the same page as before, where you'll sign in with your other Google account. But before I do that, again, there is a third option. At the top on the toolbar, you'll see a menu that's called Profiles. And at the bottom of that menu, you can add profile, which will bring up the new profile sign-in window. Click on Sign In, and then enter your information. I would recommend you do turn on the synchronization because it makes it easier for you to jump from one device to another using the same Google Chrome profile, either on your phone, on a tablet, or another computer. It will keep your bookmarks, search history, and even your passwords all synced up in your Google Chrome profile for you to access on different devices. So I would recommend you click on Yes, I'm in, and that's it. Now you have a new profile on Google Chrome. I hope you found this helpful. Bye!